Is the 1 cent dream still possible? Welcome back, everybody. So glad you're back here on the channel. Really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for coming back here and hanging out. I got a bunch of different things I want to get into in this video. So, this article has a lot of good insights. I want to talk about some of the things that are upcoming and how we can get to 1 cent in the future. We never said this was going to be easy, but now we're starting to see a lot of different ways that Shib could be burned, whether it's through tokens like the Koyo token, whether it's through the Shibarium burn mechanism that's built in, whether it's other Shibarium projects burning Shib, whether it's other DApps coming in and building, whether it's in real life businesses. All of this will help us reduce the supply. And that's really the key here. Now, before we dive into this article, I want to take you over here. So if right now at current valuation, current supply, in order for us to get to 1 cent, you can see it right above me, it's a 906x. That is crazy, right? Shib would have to be a $5.9 trillion market cap. We got as high as about a $50 billion market cap at its peak. We're sitting there at about a $6.5 billion market cap right now. However, when we start to reduce the supply, all of a sudden, this becomes obtainable. Now, we've been talking about the 111 trillion Shib burned each year for a while, right? Since Shib Queenie talked about it. And there's a multitude of different ways, as we just discussed, in terms of how we can get there and burn that amount of Shib per year. If we start to do that, let's just say we start burning 100 trillion. All of a sudden, we can look up 2025, 2026, and have a real chance at getting this thing to 1 cent and beyond. But this is just to give you a holistic value right now or valuation right now without reducing the supply. Okay. It's going to be tough to get to these numbers. But again, these can change when you start reducing this circulating supply. So back over to this article, though, there's a lot of interesting things I want to talk about in terms of what's going on right now. Right now, Shib continues to remain constrained because we've met some resistance. And its 50-day moving average, which is right around the 1150 spot, which we just hit there, by the way, yesterday, it continues to be kind of a brick wall for us, okay? Now, the 21-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving averages also continue to act as a magnet to the price action. We need a big catalyst right now to help break us through. Now, what we have seen recently is volume has picked up. Shib trading volume across exchanges hit an impressive $420 million on Wednesday. That comes after trading volumes neared $600 million on Tuesday, their highest level since mid-March. So if we can break away from these kind of moving averages that we just discussed, we could have some upside that could take us back up to where we were at the beginning of February. We got up to that 15 level, right? That's where we're trying to break up to right now and go test that. Right now, we've got that sideways action consolidation, which is good. Eventually, we're going to get a breakout, guys, and maybe one is starting to break out to the upside right now, okay? If you zoom in a little bit, you can see that things are looking a little bit bullish there. Right above me, you can see what's going on. Sideways action. When are we going to get that volatility? When are we going to get that big breakout? Hopefully it's to the upside. I think it could be because in the coming week, this is coming from Marcy Jastrow, the leader of the development team over there. And she says in the coming week, you will start to see some real progress on all things Shib, the metaverse. She said this in a recent post to the Shib community's Discord channel, as shared by popular Shib proponent Lucy on Twitter on Tuesday. Now, we also know what's happening in terms of Shibarium, the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution designed to bring down transaction costs and provide a platform for development of a Shiba Inu specific Web3 ecosystem. That is underway. We're in the beta testnet. Whales are eyeing big gains. Can Shib 10x? Well, if Shib did 10x, we're going to have new highs. We're going to break a zero, right? We're about a 7x away from its all-time high, right? Where it was right around 47 billion. Now, we're not going to get there in this type of market, right? We just got to be realistic with ourselves. In order for now Shib to move a 7x when it's a $6.4 billion market cap, that's insane. But once that retail demand comes in, the bull market is in full throttle. I do think Shib has a great potential to break 10, 12, 15x from its current price levels. And then you couple that with the burning, you couple that with all of the things going on with the metaverse. I am still extremely, extremely bullish on Shiba Inu. So yes, in my opinion, the 1 cent dream is still possible. but it's going to be at least 2 to 3 years away. And we have to understand that burning the supply is going to allow us to get there. So the more ways that we can generate, burning Shib just makes that process a lot easier. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. Let me know your thoughts about all this down below. Have a fantastic rest of your day. We'll see you.